Hey guys, good morning. It's almost 7:30 in the morning. I just woke up now and yeah, I did snooze my alarm a little bit a lot today. I was supposed to wake up at 6:30, now it's 7:30. So yeah, it's definitely fine. You guys can see I snoozed the alarm for almost 1 hour. It's definitely fine, guys. Okay, so now I am trying to wake up a little bit early because yeah, the mornings are so good and there are a few sun rays coming in my room now, so it feels so good if you wake up early. So I'm just trying to embrace mornings also, and that's the reason I thought maybe wake up a little bit early. So now I will just quickly go freshen up because you would not like seeing me like this. So I will just go get freshen up, look a little bit decent, and then I'll be back, guys. So that is it.
Heartbreakers, stop letting them in after the last faker. Somehow gave it all to you. None of them good enough to keep around. Probably why I don't let my guard down. But somehow gave it all to you. I'm hard to read when I'm in my feelings. Basically, yeah, that's all the time. Something you do, it gives me healing. You make the worst things fine. Won't you stay a little longer?
So hey guys, now I'm on my desk, and if you guys are confused how you have a desk in this room, so yeah, I did shift the huge green table from my kitchen to my room because yeah, it would have been more convenient here. So yeah, that's the update for now. You will see the process in the next weekly vlog. I have vlogged the entire thing. I would be posting a weekly vlog, I guess, after this vlog, so just wait for that. And today is going to be exciting. I have a bunch of things that I need to complete, and the very first thing I'm going to start is with emails because I have a bunch of them. Yeah, I need to complete and reply to all of them, I think so. The first thing that I'm going to do is that now it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I just freshen up a little bit. I did not take a shower because yeah, you can clearly see that by seeing my t-shirt. Anyways, so yeah, I will just go through my mail, reply to some of the mails, and after that I have my internal exam at 12 o'clock. I need to prepare for that. So today is going to be hectic. Today is going to be hectic. But anyways, we are going to enjoy the process. We are going to make the day fun. So I'll see you guys once I'm done with the emails.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon.
So hey guys, now I just had a shower. I got changed into a very nice hoodie, and now it's time to start the very first session for the day. That is going to be for 4 hours. So without wasting any further time, let's just dive into the very first session. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the desk. And today most of the time you guys would be hearing to raindrops, so please ignore that because it's rainy season here in Pune. It is raining a lot, so if you guys here, just ignore that because I cannot do anything for that. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let me wear my specs so you guys will take me a little bit seriously. Here it is. Yeah, much better now. So I'll just explain to you guys what I'm going to do in the 4-hour session now. In the first 2-hour block, I'm going to revise what I have learned earlier about human rights, and in the next 2 hours, I'm going to learn new concepts about human rights. Here I have notes for human rights and also for HRD. So from here, I'm going to take out few notes for HR that I have learned earlier. I'm going to revise that for the first 2 hours, and in the next 2 hours, I'm going to learn new concepts about human rights. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Let's do it.
Promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah.
waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
Now it's time to take a break, and I'm going to enjoy this very delicious mango with an episode of Friends. This is going to be an afternoon reset for me. This really helps me to gain my energy back again, and we can start grinding after I'm done relaxing for a little bit. So now I will enjoy this, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that.
Butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and
So a lot of you guys ask me what online resources that I use for my UPSC preparation. Recently I came across this channel. The name of the channel is Prep Eyes. If you search Prep Eyes on YouTube, you will come across this channel. The very first channel that you see here is the channel that I want to talk about. I came across this channel few months ago and definitely loving the channel. The authentic content that they are providing is really good, and recently they have launched their UPSC prelims free crash course. This is the best thing about this channel. They are providing the entire range of crash course for you, completing all the subjects that we have in UPSC preparation. They are covering all the subjects and they are providing the crash course for free. So I think definitely you should give it a try. And here you can see, let's open the very first playlist that we have here, that is for polity. And if you can scroll down here, you will come across this doubt session. If you have any doubt from the session, you can just fill up this form on Google. I'll just show you guys. Yeah, if you come across here, you can just put on what doubt you have. You can ask the faculty whatever doubt you have, and the faculty will answer your doubts on every Sunday. So this is the best thing. If you have any doubt throughout the week, the doubt would be cleared on Sunday. So yeah, this was one thing that I liked. And the next thing was that they are also providing the notes that they taught during the lecture here in the description box below. Apart from that, you can register for the free crash course here. They have the registration link, and you can get the complete schedule of the crash course here. You can just click here, and you will get the schedule of what class is at what time here. And apart from that, they also have the Telegram channel. You can just click here, you can go through the Telegram channel, you will get all the notifications there also. Yeah, the channel is really good. I have attended few lectures from there, and the authentic content that they are providing for free of cost is really great. So you can just register for the free course. As you guys can see here, they are teaching you 6 special subjects. They have launched the crash course on 17th of March, and they have extended the timing now because yes, our prelims has postponed, and that's the reason now the crash course is till June 20th. And you can also see the pre-recorded lecture that you have missed till now. You can just go through the playlist and see all the lectures that you want to attend. And I think you can just study according to your will. You can study according to the timing that you get. Apart from that, you can come here in the playlist section, and here you can see they have just made the special playlist for every subject. For example, here is polity, modern history, and apart from that, economics, ancient history, geography. You can just go through it and see what you want to study, and you can just do that. So after the playlist section, you can just come here into the community section, and down here you can see they are also taking your preparation for daily answer writing. I don't think any other channel is taking your answer writing preparation, and that also for free. So I think definitely you should give it a try. Every day they post questions here. As you guys can see, 9th June, you can see here 10th June. You can just go through that, you can answer them, you can take all. If you have any doubts, you can also answer them here as I showed in the doubt section. So yeah, I think definitely you should give it a try. And the faculty that is here is really great. As you guys can see now on the screen, these are the faculties that they have, and you can also see the experience that they have. So guys, that was it about the Prep Eyes channel. And to be honest, if I share my own experience, I definitely love the lectures that they have, because yeah, for free they are providing really great content over there. So yeah, definitely give it a try. And I would put the registration link in the description box below. You can just go in the description of this video and you will find the registration link there. And I also put the link to the channel there, because yeah, I can do that work for you. You guys don't have to go and search for that. I will just put the link in the description box below. So after watching this video, you will just go scroll down in the description box below and click on that link, and that will directly take you to that channel. So yeah, that was it about them. Now let's get back to vlog, guys. Now I just enjoyed the very delicious mango, and now it's time to get back to studies. And yeah, now I'm gonna do the next 2-hour session for the day.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you. I hate feeling so uncertain. She left and I keep on searching, but I can tell there's someone hurting you too. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart.
Now I'm done with the first 4 hour session for the day. Now the time is almost 2:45 in the afternoon, and now I'm gonna go have my lunch, and after that I'm going to take a nap because I'm really exhausted. I definitely need a nap, so that's the plan for now. And as you guys can see, these are the side effects of eating mango, and it's mango season, so pimples are mandatory to come in this season. Anyways, we can bear with that, but we cannot bear not eating mango. So yeah, that's a quick update. Now I'm gonna go have my lunch. After that I'm gonna sleep, and I'll see you guys at 4 o'clock. So yes guys, now I'm gonna take a nap, and I'll see you guys once I wake up. So yes guys, now I'm on my desk. Now time is almost 3:45 in the afternoon. I had a nap of almost 25 to 30 minutes, but yeah, it's fine. After that I was like, I need to get up. I have a lecture at 4 o'clock. I need to be on my desk at 4. So yeah, now I'm on my desk and it's raining. Oh yeah. Anyways, our entire educational system has changed a lot from the past 1.5 year because of this entire coronavirus thing, and now we prefer online classes. We prefer a bunch of online resources, and that's the reason I shared 1 or 2 like free resources that you can use for UPSC. But to be honest, I really miss in-person classes when we used to go to classes. The lecturer or the professor used to teach us. That were the golden days. Yeah, we did not know the importance of that thing that time. We thought that where is all of this gonna go? But now we realize the importance of in-person classes. The importance of socializing. I do miss everything. Because I am an really very extrovert kind of person. I need people around me. Just want to talk to them or kind of be friendly with them. But the entire coronavirus situation, we are stuck at home, and it's okay. It's kind of okay also, because now we can study from our home, but we still miss that socializing part. Anyways, let's see to few positive sides of that. Now you can use online resources to study, and I think that there are a bunch of free online resources that are coming forward to help students to study in this time. And I just want to say, just utilize all those resources. Just utilize all the resources that you get for free, because that is going to help you. You can get very nice content online that you can use for free. Don't pay anything now. Just seek for free resources that you can get. Telegram is the best thing, guys. Telegram is definitely the best thing. You just need to search whatever you want to study. You need to search that on Telegram, and you will get a lecture on that. Trust me, guys. Just search on Telegram whatever you want. Any lecture that you want, you will get that on Telegram. I just don't want to say the name, but just search. You will get the content. Yeah, I just want to share this with you guys, because I have learned a lot through YouTube and Telegram. So I was like, I need to share this with you guys, and I have learned it for free. To be honest with you guys, now I have not paid even a single penny on online resources, because you get a bunch of free resources. Why you need to pay anything for that? And the lectures that I attend now are from unique classes, and I have paid them fees. I used to go to their in-person classes last year, so they are taking online classes now. So I have paid for that, but I have not paid for their online course. I have paid for the in-person classes, but because of a coronavirus thing, now I need to take that classes online. But yeah, I have not paid for any online classes, and you also don't need to. You just try and seek free resources as much as you can. And if you think it is truly necessary for you to buy any course, then think about that and then only pay for the exam. I'm not saying you should not pay, but yeah, if you're paying, just do a research on your own. Just see if you can find the same resource online for free, and then you can go for it. So just a cheeky little advice from me to you guys. And now I will definitely log into Zoom, attend the lecture. I'll see you guys after that.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon.
here it is a bit quiet, so now I'm gonna sit here and watch the rest of the lecture, and I'll see you guys once the rain stops. So now I'm back on my desk, and it did rain for a long period of time, so I did not come in my room because it was damn noisy in here, and I had two choices back then. I could have studied in that disturbance, or I could have just rested that time. I took the second option. I was like, okay, I need to rest. I did rest for a little bit. I did spend time with my family, and that was too good because it is also, very important to give time to your family. Also, you cannot just, do the same thing for an entire day. You cannot just sit in front of your screens or in front of your books and study. But yeah, giving time to your family is also important. So yeah, I did that. After that, I had my dinner, and now the rain stopped, and I was like, okay, now I can do a very productive 4 hour session because yeah, I'm feeling productive. I'm feeling damn good. And if I would have just took the first option and I was like, okay, even if it's disturbing, I'm too damn productive. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to rest. I'm going to study in that disturbance also. Then I would have hardly studied for 1 hour, and after that, I would be like, it's not happening. I would have taken break after 1 hour. I know myself. So yeah, this is a better thing. I guess I rested. I did spend some time with my family. I had my dinner, and now I'm okay. Okay, I'm feeling productive. I can do a very damn productive session now. So that's the plan for now. I'm gonna do a 4 hour session, and in this session now, I'm first of all thinking of doing paper essays because yeah, I've not seen that for a while, and I am really missing that. And I have to go through 2 to 3 previous years question papers. So I'm gonna start with the very first paper now. Yeah, I'll do that on my laptop, and I'll see you guys after some time.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you, 'cause you always have answers to. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture, I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say?
So yes guys, I think these were all the sessions that I want to do today, and now I am definitely exhausted, so I'm quickly going to go to sleep. So I think we studied for almost 9.5 or 10 hours today, and I think the sessions were also really productive. So I'm pretty satisfied with the day, and also you can see I'm pretty happy with all of things that I've completed today. So yeah, this was it for this video, guys. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. I'll be really happy to know all your responses. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really exhausted. I see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.